Hello, welcome to Jet Mathematics. I remain your host, Milton Ebiwari John. In today's class, we'll be looking at substitution into formula. All right. Substitution simply means replacing the letters in a formula with numbers. Like as we have s equals to 2 now, we'll just replace s by substituting or putting in 2 in place of x. So that's what substitution means. So we'll quickly make y the subject of this formula and then substitute these corresponding values for x and m into the formula and get what y will be. Okay, so that's what we'll do in this class today. So very simple. You already know how to make uh, any variable the subject of a formula. So let's say we have m equals to 4 over s squared plus y squared. So what we need to do is we need to get y. So what we do, we multiply both sides by s squared plus y squared, so that we have m multiplied by s squared plus y squared, okay, is equals to 4 over s squared plus y squared multiplied by s squared plus y squared. So we'll multiply both sides by s squared plus y squared so that we can remove this term from here. So this now goes with this, they cancel, and then we have m s squared plus y squared is equal to 4. Okay, so at this point we can divide both sides by m. We can divide both sides by m so that we have m bracket s squared plus y squared over m is equals to 4 over m. So at this point m cancels out with m, so we are left with s squared plus y squared is equals to 4 over m. So next we'll take s squared to this side so that we have so that we have y squared left on this side, y squared left here, s squared goes this way, it becomes 4 over m minus s squared. Or otherwise you can say subtract s squared from both sides. And then since this is y squared, we take the square root. If we take the square root of both sides, we are going to have y equals to the square root of 4 over m minus s squared. So that becomes the subject formula for y. Next, we are going to find y when s is 2 and m is 1 over 5. But mind you, we are taking just the positive square root because y is greater than 0. So y is positive. So we say now that when x is equals to 2 and m is equals to 1 over 5, we're going to have that y will be equals to, we substitute these values in place of x and m, so we're going to have the square root of 4 divided by 1 over 5 minus 2 squared. So that gives us the square root of 4 divided by 1 over 5, that is 20, minus 2 squared is 4. So y is equals to the square root of 16 and y is equals to square root of 16 is 4. So y is 4 when s is 2 and m is 1 over 5. So that is how you substitute into formula. Mind you, we are taking just the positive square root of 16 because y is said to be greater than 0. Alright, so this is how you substitute into formula. You take the numbers representing the letters and plug them into the formula. So that will be all for today's class. Join us in our next class for we'll be deriving a formula in our next class. Please don't forget to like, to share, and to comment on this video. You can support Jet Mathematics today by sending us star. Thank you for watching and see you in our next class. Bye.